Hi guys, it's Fit and Sexy Pinay over here again, and here I am enjoying the nice weather today. So how are you guys been doing? Anyways, if you guys new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, comments, shares, and don't forget to hit that bell button for notification if I have a new video. Anyways, today I'm just like gonna show you guys the unboxing um, from Advocare, which is I got it today. It's my free workout drink, and I'm happy because I receive it. You know, I ran out, so let's start unboxing it, and I hope that you guys join me unboxing this one. I have these two items to show you guys with my pre-workout drink, and the other one is it's good for muscle recovery. I've been doing the Advocare for almost a year and a half now, and I have also 20% discount for being a distributor consultant. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Here it is, the Spark drink. So it's really good. I use this one for my pre-workout. At the same time, it's good to like focus and full of vitamins and amino acid. So it's a very good supplement. I'll take it like once a day, and it really helps me, especially if I'm really tired and I don't feel working out. So this is like really like you know, it's works wonders for me. So here it is. Just mix it with cold water, or even like a room temperature water. Is up to you, but I like to put in the ice. So 8 ounces of water with this small packet. It's ready to go. It's really good, guys. They have also a different kinds of flavor, which one you preferred to. So it's very good product. And I get, for preferred customer, I think if you sign up, you can get like 15% off also. And this one, Biocharge. This is also good with amino acid, vitamin, and herbal supplement. So after I do my workout for at least 45 minutes, I waited for at least half an hour and then take this one. This is good for muscle recovery. And this one also, the same thing. It's in a packet. It's hard to open, guys. So this one, you can go to Advocare website and then look for, they have a different variety of supplementations, you know, from protein shakes or whatever, like loosen weight. They also have that. I will going to put my ID number on the bottom of this video if you like to try it. So anyways, I've been doing for like almost 2 years, a year and a half, this Advocare. So I really like this. I really like their product, which is it helped me to finish all my workouts. So it's really good. Anyways, I hope that you guys like this video, and I just like wants to share you guys my supplementations during my workout. So thank you for watching, and stay safe and stay healthy. Bye. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much. God bless.